This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Mary Porta. 2021 home. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath home with a 3-car garage, fully fenced home features French doors leading to the office/den. Ceramic tiled floors throughout the first floor. Open floor plan includes half bath, great room, kitchen with quartz countertops, large kitchen island. Sliding doors leads to the outdoor patio and completely fenced yard. Second floor master bedroom with a deluxe master bath and tray ceiling. 3 more bedrooms, guest bath and laundry room. For more information, review the details below or contact Mary Porta at 888-668-8283.